Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
People, wagwan. This is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. 20 of the Jamaican students them who did in the Ukraine reach back at them yard. Delroy Williams or the mayor of Kingston said the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation are prepared for the entertainment sector up my back. Desmond Mackenzie or the Minister for Local Government got in at the Oxford Mall Market yesterday where it burned down. Jason Older, who did at the West Indies captain for 5 years, said him no want be back the captain again for the rest of his career. Now for the full tour of them. 20 of the Jamaican students them who did trapped in the Ukraine reach back at them yard. Leslie Campbell, or the state minister in the Ministry for Foreign Affairs, meet the student them at the Sangsters International Airport last night. The government did pay for them ticket for them come at them yard. Delroy Williams, or the mayor for Kingston, said the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation are prepared for the entertainment sector up my back. Desmond Mackenzie, or the local government minister, said the Prime Minister tell him to put some things in place so them can up my back the sector. On top of that, the mayor said them are going to give permit for things keep a certain place, but them are going to make sure so the place them not near a residential area. Desmond Mackenzie, or the Minister for Local Government, got in at the Oxford Mall Market yesterday where they burned down. All heap of vendors lose millions of dollars worth of goods. According to Senior Superintendent Michael Phipps, or the head for the Kingston West Police, them still a look for the smaddy who them think burned down the market. On top of that, him said them are going to put more security in the Kingston Market District. Fire did burn down the railway market too on February 23. Police lock up one district constable after them find him with one gun where him not have no license for Monday night in a Seaview Garden, St. Andrew. According to Senior Superintendent Kirk Ricketts, or the head for the St. Andrew South Police Division, one team did upon patrol when them see the district constable. Them search him and find the semi-automatic pistol with one magazine in his waist. SSP Ricketts said them are going to ask the constable some question, then them are going to charge him. On top of that, him say more police in a Seaview Gardens because more crime are going in the community. The St. Elizabeth police lock up one man Tuesday after them find him with one gun where him not have no license for and $2 million. The man, a 27 years old Burgess Clark, and them charge him for have gun where him not have no license for and gunshot where him not have no license for. According to Superintendent Dwight Daly, or the head for the St. Elizabeth Police, around 4 p.m. one team go in at the Broadleaf community and look for wanted man and gun where them not have no license for when them all on pan Mr. Clark. He might go before the St. Elizabeth Parish Court pan March 9. Now for sports. Jason Older, who did at the West Indies captain for 5 years, said him no want be back the captain again for the rest of his career. Them did take the captain from him the start of 2021 and him said it changed the way how him think and him a player as just a regular player. Older said him never understand how important the captain role did be when him take it. People, remember the curfew from 12 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.